Using source transformation technique, find the current through 5 ohm resistor for the circuit shown below. So in this circuit, we are supposed to calculate the current through this 5 ohm resistor. Let I be the current through this 5 ohm resistor. We are supposed to solve using source transformation technique. So here the 30 ohm resistor is in series with voltage source. Let's convert this voltage source into current source by applying source transformation. That is, we know that V is equal to IR. So current I is equal to V by R. The voltage is 3 ohm and the resistor value is 30 ohm, which is nothing but 1 over 10, which is equal to 0.1 amp. So now I can replace this 3 volt voltage source by 0.1 amp current source. Then this 30 ohm resistor supposed to be connected in parallel with current source. I'll redraw the circuit with current source. Here direction of current source is up, as this is plus minus, so direction will be head end of the arrow should be at positive side. The magnitude of this is 0.1 amps. Now here we can observe that 30 ohm resistor and 20 ohm resistors are in parallel. I can replace these two resistors by single resistor of equivalent value, that is R equivalent equal to 20 is parallel with 30. So R equivalent equal to 20 into 30 divided by 50, that is 20 plus 30, which is nothing but 600 by 50, which is equal to 12. So I redraw the circuit now. So magnitude of this resistor is 12 and there is a current source of magnitude 0.1 amps. The value of this resistor is 5 ohm and this is 5 volts. Say current I is flowing here. So now I'll convert this current source into voltage source so that there will be a single loop. We know that V is equal to IR, I is 0.1 and resistor is 12. So magnitude of voltage is 1.2. Therefore I'll redraw the circuit now. The resistor 12 will be in series and will connect a voltage source. Magnitude of this is 1.2. The value of this resistor is 12 ohm. 5 ohm is connected here as usual and there is a voltage source of 5 volt. So this is I. So now we can observe here that there is only one loop and in this loop current I is flowing. Here voltage source 5 volt is in series with 1.2 volt. Look at the magnetic polarities, that is minus plus plus minus. So we are supposed to take the difference of the voltage value, that is 5 minus 1.2 gives 3.8. So magnitude of this is 5, this is 12. So in this loop current I is flowing. Therefore I can say I is equal to 3.8 divided by sum of these two resistors is 17, which is equal to 0.2235 amps. Therefore current through 5 ohm resistor is 0.2235 amps. So this is the required answer.